Welcome to Tainiqua Care Centre, a place where compassion and dignity come first. Located in George, South Africa, we provide a safe and nurturing environment for the elderly. At Tainiqua, we believe in personalized care. Our dedicated team ensures that every resident receives the support they need, whether it's assisted living, frail care or independent living. Life at Tainiqua is more than just medical services, it's about connection. We offer a range of services designed to enhance quality of life, from daily assistance to medical care, all within a warm and welcoming community. Our residents enjoy engaging activities, social events and wellness programs that keep them active and fulfilled.
There can be no better place than Tainiqua, because the food that we get is excellent. It's balanced. There are fantastic variations. People mix socially. We've got games that we play every quarter, and outside we play bowls once a week. We've got people from outside, singers. We've got guest speakers coming here, choirs here, and speakers that talk about health matters.
We cannot do this without your support. As we are a non-profit organization, every contribution helps us provide comfort, dignity and quality care to those who need it most. Visit tainiqua.org.za to learn more and see how you can help.
There can't be a better place in George, at least for older people, to spend the last years of their life.